Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius fire sign. This is May mid-month reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Sagittarius, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Messages for Sagittarius fire sign. Queen of Pentacles with Death card under the deck. And the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio or Cancer especially. So I think you are more focusing on your career, especially on your abundance. Yes, you are very caring and sharing person, but right now your total focus on your money, creating more money. Maybe you are doing online businesses. Maybe you are starting something new in your life. Maybe you already started something new, but you want to progress it. Definitely you want to create more money. Your total focus is on your money. And for some, in relationship wise, maybe you are in separation with this person. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Judgment, the Fool and Cancer. Means the Chariot. So in recent past, Sagittarius, you made a decision regarding this relationship, maybe regarding your life, regarding your work life, whatever. Definitely there was some decision making in recent past. You are going with the flow. You are living in the present moment. Yes, you are taking your control back and you started something new and moving in that direction. And it was past was okay. And then present, Six of Pentacles, Page of Swords and Two of Cups. This love is mutual. You both have so much love towards each other. And I think there is no equal give and take what I'm getting here. I think you only the person always taking care of this relationship. Yes, your person also loves you, but there is no commitment. Maybe they are in and out of your life, but lot of spying is going. Maybe you are spying on them or they are spying on you. For some, children's also involved in this connection. Your person is immature. I think there is no equal give and take, but there is love. Then future, Four of Cups, the Tower and Ten of Pentacles. There is no stability in this connection. One time they will say one thing and another time they will say another thing. There is no clarity. There is no commitment. You are feeling missed opportunity with this person and you are undergoing some tower moment in near future. That's why you are giving your total focus on your finances, because Ten of Pentacles, you are getting financial abundance, financial stability. Yes, in relationship wise, up and downs, but in your career wise, in your money wise, definitely there is stability is coming. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer or Scorpio. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So Page of Wands under the deck. Yeah, they want to send message. Maybe for some you both have age differences. Maybe your person is very good looking. So Sagittarius, their current feelings. Yes, I already told you there is no equal give and take in this relationship. Yes, now your person thinking about to offer equal give and take. You both live in different cities, different countries or different state because you both are in long distance relationship. Right now your person feeling overburdened Maybe they have hectic work pressure. And Magician with Page of Pentacles. I think they are thinking about to communicate with you, or they're thinking about to text you. Definitely your person is immature. For some, maybe your person is player type energy. They are in and out of your life. Playfulness. For some, your person trying to manifesting you. Yes. So let's see their intentions. Sagittarius. For some, the cycles between you and your person are going to be end. New cycles are going to be begin. Death and rebirth. Definitely your person want rebirth in this connection. For some, you both are in separation right now. For some, no contact situation. Even though you are in relationship with this person right now, this is on and off connection. There is no stability. But your person loves you. Ace of Cups is here. They have so much love towards you. But right now they have hard time to express their feelings. That's why Ten of Wands with Queen of Swords. They are not expressing their true feelings to you. Maybe they are telling one thing, but I think they are showing anger or harshness to you, but they have love. And Page of Swords, they are spying on you. Definitely a lot of spying is going. They are wondering about you a lot. And they want rebirth in this connection. Yes, definitely they want rebirth. For some, you will get text or communication from your person, and because they are spying and they want to communicate with you. Maybe they're scared for rejection also. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. Yeah, the Moon with Ten of Swords, and under the deck Knight of Cups. This person is very romantic. This person have romantic feelings for you. And yes, they're in so much pain right now. They're going through a lot in their life. Lot of illusions between both of you. Lot of misunderstandings. But they still want rebirth in this connection. Ten of Swords. And they have love and they want to offer their cup of love to you. Ten of Swords means rebirth also. They want rebirth. Yes, they just want you back in their life. Even though it is very difficult for them to handle the situations, but they want you back. I think you are very defensive. You are guarded up right now, and you are focusing on your career. And for some, new beginnings in love is also coming, and especially financial stability. Ace of Pentacles. I think your money is very, very good, Sagittarius. Yeah, it's your card and it's your reading. Mutual with Temperance with Knight of Wands. Yes, this person is very, very attracted to you. They're still attracted to you. They want to be with you. And Temperance, maybe you both are patiently waiting. Yes, you both are patiently waiting for the right time. And you both want to restore the balance in this connection. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Sagittarius. I want to express my love. I am very attracted to you. Soulmates. You are the only one for me. Wow. Options and holding back. Stability is coming. Yes. So, I want to express my love. I am very attracted to you. Soulmates, you are the only one for me. Options, these are the messages from your person, and take what resonates. Definitely, they are very attracted to you. They want to express their love to you. And soulmates, for some, you both could be soulmates. So, let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Sagittarius. Be bold and make the first move. Surrender to the divine full moon. So if you want to make a move towards your person, for some this is the message for you. Be bold and make the first move. You will get some positive result. not for all, only for some, and surrender to the divine. So if you are not getting any solution to the problem, so surrender to the divine. Those problems you have to surrender to the divine. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.